Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Zoliswa, and to officially join my YouTube family, please click on that subscribe button and also do personalize the notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. Please don't forget to sign the register on the comment by dropping a heart emoji. Today we are on day 5 of 7 days YamaPhondo. Today I decided to take it back to where I started. This bun is the bun I learned how to do inwele ngayo. So I won't lie, I don't know the name of this bun. It was trending back when I was still learning how to do hair. And I feel like, you know what, let me just bring it back. So you already know, when you apply your styling gel, you need to apply your styling gel on clean hair. Guys, my hair this week has been through the most, but it's strong. My hair is so strong. And guys, let us talk about my hair growth. Oh guys, I'm so impressed. I am so impressed. Dark and Lovely is the girl she thinks she is. I saw some of you on the comments asking me, what do I use for my hair? I use Dark and Lovely. Dark and Lovely is the goat, baba. There's this serum from the Pro collection called the Stimulating Serum. That is my favorite serum. Sometimes I don't moisturize my hair that much because I can be ignorant at times, but with that serum it's easy to apply, especially on your hairline. When you have a receding hairline, it just brings back your hairline, and also it grows your hair, and it's easy to apply. And one thing about my hair, guys, I have a lot of hair. My hair is full, but when it comes to length, it doesn't grow. But this time around, I'm shocked. I am so shocked that my hair is this long, actually. Because what do you mean I've got long hair? I'm sorry guys, it seems like I'm not explaining what I'm supposed to be explaining. I'm busy all about my hair. But anyways guys, I'm doing this bun, and I'm using 2 packets of Navi. Is it Navi? Yes, it's Navi Yaki braid. The other packet, you're gonna do a booster and the hair that you will cover the bun with. But the hair that you're going to be covering the bun with, you're going to take out a small piece and put it away. That piece is the piece that you're not going to use. It's not going to go into your hair. It's just an extra piece. But if you want your bun to have like a bigger volume than how it will turn out, how mine will turn out, you can also add that piece. And then you guys, since I don't have anyone to hold the hair for me, this is the plan I came up with. You just take your needle and your mannequin and you just do what you gotta do. Okay, the second braid, the one that will cover the bun, you make it loose. I'm trying to do something that is almost like a butterfly braid. That's what you do. You make your thingy loose and like that and fluffy. You see the difference. The booster is very like tight, and then the one that's gonna be covering the bun is very loose. And then you want to go ahead and take your hair and roll you make your hair into a bun, and then you roll the booster with on your hair. Hey, today I don't know why am I stuttering and eating a lot of mazambanes. The English bundles are depleting, but we move. And then you want to go ahead and sew in the booster exactly as I am doing. When you are done sewing in your booster, you want to go ahead and take a long piece of wool, and this is the wool that you're going to be using to tie the bun with. And then you take a full packet you don't pre-scratch the packet, you just use it as it is, and then you take your rubber band and then you tie it in a small tiny almost nearby the tip of the hair. Is that making sense? Yeah. And then you're gonna cut the hair, the other band that came with the hair, and then you start doing your bun. This part, guys, I don't know how to explain it. You're just gonna watch and do as I am doing, because literally there's nothing to explain. Because I don't know how to explain this part, I'm not gonna lie. But I can just say you flip and tie. That's what you do until you are happy. But when you are flipping and tying, make sure that you constantly comb your hair so that it doesn't tangle. You understand? And your bun is neat. It just keeps your bun neat when you constantly comb it while you are doing the bun. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and cut the excess hair. This hair has a lot of ends, so you don't have to, flip it and tie it. It's going to make your bun untidy. Since we want our bun to be neat and tidy, you just cut out the part that has a lot of ends, and then you take the band that you did, the braid that you did, the loose braid that you did, and then you roll it around the bun exactly as I did. I would have sewed it in, but I decided not to because you already know. But I would advise, if you are doing this at home, you sew in the band. But because I'm not going to last with the hair, I just put on the band, and then I used bobby pins to just hold the band for me. And then when you are done securing your bun, you want to go ahead and cut the ends. But I'm not really much of a fan of cutting the excess hair and ends, because if you're not careful, you might ruin your bun. So when you do this step, please be careful, or rather use a holding spray. Just spray your holding spray, and then lay the excess hair down, then cutting. So yeah, and when you're done, this is how you should look. I am so happy, I'm so obsessed. I love it. I love the fact that also it's not a small bun, it's like a big bun. Next time I'm gonna try do a low bun like this. I think it would look so cute. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please do let me know what you think of this hairstyle on the comments. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I'm gonna see you on the next episode. We are only left with 2 more episodes. I'm so proud. We are doing so well. We are doing so well. Thank you guys for watching.